Hello everyone, so today I will be unboxing the 2 CD edition of Paul McCartney and Wings One Hand Clapping, so let's get started. This is still in its shrink wrap and there's the sticker. There's the track listing. So this was recorded at Abbey Road Studios in 1974. And to take off the shrink wrap. There it is. I'll keep the sticker, hype sticker. Good art, great artwork there. Looks like a gatefold. This is disc 1. Disc 2. This is like the booklet or the poster as well. And there's information there and about the one hand clapping project as well, which is so cool. And here's the other side. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.